Okay, be sure to watch my other awesome home theater videos, but if you're ready to set up your own or just want some good ideas for your home theater, here's an inexpensive idea that anyone can do to improve their home theater experience. Hey, if you like this content, do me a big favor, like and subscribe so I get credit for all my hard work. I'll give you a second to take care of that now.
I'm not listening to you. You're crazy.
No theater is complete until you master popcorn making. The first tip is not all popcorn poppers are equal. Some just make it impossible to make tasty popcorn.
Surprise. Get that corn out of my face!
So go for something a little more commercial if you plan to have guests over a lot to watch movies. These larger commercial poppers make better popcorn in less time and add that authentic popcorn smell. Here is an industry secret that makes the best movie-style popcorn. Other than just using a quality kernel, and you need to try different types to find the one you like, just be sure they're fresh. The secret ingredient is coconut oil. I know, I was surprised as well, but after trying a lot of different types of popcorn and different oils, I found a friend that worked in the concessions at a theater, and he told me this little secret. It's what theaters often use because it gives off great flavor and has special properties that help keep the popcorn from scorching or burning. You'll be amazed at the difference. The next time you make popcorn, just replace the regular oil with coconut oil to cook the popcorn. It takes some practice to get good at making delicious popcorn, but it makes all the difference in creating that authentic movie theater experience. Well, gotta go. The movie is starting, and they're already asking for more. In the next video, I share some other inexpensive ideas that anyone can do to improve their home theater experience. Give it a watch, and don't forget to subscribe to help this channel grow, and thanks for watching.